Hey there, welcome to our quick and easy tutorial how to create MySQL database from cPanel in just a few minutes. Let's start by logging into cPanel. Just enter your username and password, and you're good to go. After getting into cPanel dashboard, just look for MySQL database section, and in that click on MySQL database. In the Create New Database section, type in the name for your new database. Next, simply click on the Create Database button. The database has been successfully created. After creating a database, you'll have to add a user and link it to the MySQL database. Keep scrolling down to find the Add New User section. Enter the desired username and strong password, or you can click on Generate Password option to get password generated automatically. Click on the Create User button. The new user is created successfully. Next, you need to assign that user to the database. Head over to the Add User to Database section. Choose the user and database from the drop-down menu you wish to assign. Simply click on Add button. If you want to grant all privileges, you can check this box. Click on Make Changes, and you're all set. Finally, your MySQL database has been created successfully. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for even more awesome tutorials.